In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Canva. If you're working on any Canva document, you're probably familiar with the default white background. But what if you want to add a splash of color or create a unique atmosphere for your project? That's where changing the background color comes in, and it's quite simple. Let's dive in and see how you can do it. First, start by clicking on the background itself. This simple action opens up a host of possibilities. Once you've clicked on the background, you'll notice a menu appear at the top left of your screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Background Color. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this option, you're presented with various choices. You'll see several default colors ready to use, and below those, a range of default gradients as well. Gradients can give your design more depth and visual interest. But what if you're looking for something uniquely yours? Canva allows you to create your own colors. Simply add a new solid color and watch as your document preview updates with your selection. It's really about experimenting here. Maybe you want something vibrant, like a bright yellow, to grab attention, or something more subdued, like a soft pastel, for a gentle touch. Beyond solid colors, we can also play with gradients. These are particularly exciting because they offer more than just a single color. With gradients, you can choose between a circular or linear style, or explore other options available that can give your design a dynamic look. When you select a gradient, you'll be able to choose and modify the colors that it features. Want more variety? You can even add more colors to your gradient to create a multifaceted effect. This allows you to customize your background to fit precisely with your project's needs or your personal taste. Once you've made your selection, the color or gradient you chose becomes part of your design. This means you can easily reuse it for consistency across other pages of your document, or add your brand's colors to maintain brand identity if you're working within a style guide. Canva makes this process convenient and intuitive, saving you time and ensuring your project looks professional. Finally, if you go with a linear gradient, don't forget to adjust its angle by clicking on it up in the menu and tweaking until it looks just right. It's this level of customization that helps transform a simple document into something visually appealing and professionally polished. And there you have it. This is how you can tailor your document's background with color in Canva, providing that perfect finishing touch. Thank you for watching, and remember, creativity thrives on experimentation, so don't hesitate to explore all the options Canva offers.